Welcome to Dynal.AI, your best LinkedIn agent. Today, let's take a look at how you can turn trending post topics into content that's truly your own in just one click. Right below your workspace, you'll find the Trending section, featuring real LinkedIn posts that are currently getting strong engagement. You can explore the latest trends, from thoughtful insights to creative visuals. To get started with your LinkedIn agent, the very first step is to connect your LinkedIn account. Click Connect LinkedIn. Sign in, and you're ready to go. Make sure your LinkedIn account is checked and linked successfully. Next, when you find a post you like, simply click Repurpose and choose Topic. Dynal will automatically generate a personalized version for you. Then, select how many visuals you'd like. Click Generate, and your LinkedIn agent gets to work. Dynal.AI is your LinkedIn creation agent. It understands your ideas, reasons through your content, and takes action, turning inspiration into impactful posts. Once your visuals are ready, preview them. Click Edit right inside the image. You can fine-tune the layout or replace any element. And that's it, your post is ready. When everything looks perfect, click Publish. Just like that, your post is live. At Dynal.AI, inspiration is everywhere. Every trending idea could become your next viral post.